Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic contactless payments. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in banking industry, fintech and digital payments and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. Whenever we need something to purchase, we have to go somewhere like on the retailer store, on the grocery store. So we have to basically give cash and then we purchase the goods and services whatever we want. Nowadays contactless payments are very popular, in which basically there is no contact between the device and the card. That is why it is called as contactless payment. Basically friend, contactless payment refer to a secure method of transaction where financial information is exchanged between a payment device such as a card, smartphone or wearable and a point of sale POS terminal without physical contact. That is why it is called as contactless payment. This technology enables users to make fast and convenient payments by tapping, waving or holding their payment device near a contactless enabled reader. So first we shall discuss about the key components and the features. Contactless payment devices, we talk about, first is the contactless cards. Friend, these are credit or debit cards embedded with a near field communication NFC chip that facilitate contactless transactions. Users can tap their cards on a contactless reader to make a payment. Here remember friend one thing, that for contactless payment, contactless cards are required. Like the normal cards will not be acceptable on the point of sale system. You need a contactless card, or you can say a NFC enabled chip card. Then mobile phones, like smartphones with built-in NFC technology, can be used for contactless payments. Users can add their payment card details to mobile wallet apps such as Apple Pay, Google Pay or Samsung Pay and make payments by tapping their phones. Then wearables, like devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers equipped with NFC technology, allow users to make contactless payments by holding their wearable near a contactless terminal. Then NFC technology, a near field communication. Friend, NFC is the underlying technology that enables contactless communication between devices. It allows for the exchange of data over short distances, typically a few centimeters. Security means the contactless transactions use encryption and tokenization to protect sensitive information, reducing the risk of fraud. Tokens rather than actual card details are transmitted during the transaction. Here remember friend one thing, that the NFC based cards or NFC based transactions are basically token based transaction, in which the actual card will not be traveled. Basically the token is basically traveling, so that the fraudulent activities can be avoided. Then contactless readers and terminals. First one is the POS terminals, means that merchants need contactless enabled POS terminal to accept contactless payment. These terminals have an NFC reader that communicate with the customer payment device. Here friend, again remember that the normal or generally POS terminal will not accept the NFC based transactions, NFC based cards. It basically require the NFC enabled POS terminals. So again the card should be NFC enabled and the POS terminal should also be NFC enabled for contactless transaction. Then a transportation system means that contactless payments are often used in public transportation systems for quick and convenient fare payments. Like persons are coming, they are just waving their card and the payment is deducted and then they are going into the bus or railway station. Transaction process means tap and go. That means users initiate a contactless payment by tapping their contactless card, mobile phone or wearable near the contactless reader. So it's very fast, very easy and very fast processing. Then authentication means that some transactions may require additional authentication, such as entering a PIN for security purpose as well, so that the misuse of transaction should not be happen. Just to avoid the misuse, we can use the password option as well. Transaction approval means that once authentication, the transaction is approved and the payment is processed. Okay, then advantages of contactless payment. First one is the speed and convenience. That means contactless payments are faster than traditional methods, offering a quick and convenient way to make transactions. Like the transactions which we are performing through POS or these devices are already fast, but the contactless payments are more faster than the traditional methods. Then reduced physical contacts means that the particularly relevant during public health concerns, contactless payments reduces the need for physical contact between the user and the payment terminal, so that with respect to the health factors and the basically public health concerns, it is a good factor. Then security features means contactless transactions use encryption, tokenization, and other security measures to protect sensitive information, making them secure against fraud as well. Because the actual card is not transferring and moving in the NFC based transaction, only the token is basically moving. Due to that reason, it is more secure, because if any person just hack the token, again he can't do anything with the token, because the actual card is not there in the transaction. Versatility means the contactless payments are versatile, as they can be made using contactless cards, mobile phones, or wearable. So there is some versatility is also there. Integration with mobile wallets means the contactless payments are often integrated into mobile wallet applications, allowing users to manage multiple cards and loyalty programs in one place as well. Ideal for small purchases means that contactless payments are well suited for small everyday transactions, like you are going somewhere, you have to travel through the bus, railway, etc. So making them a popular choice for purchases like coffee or public transportation fares, etc. So it is a very good solution for such small purchases. Here, friend, there are some considerations and challenges as well. First one is the device compatibility, means that both the payment device and the POS terminal need to be contactless enabled for transactions to occur. Security concerns means that while contactless payments are secure, there are still concerns about potential fraud, although the risk is relatively low. Consumer adoption means that widespread adoption may depend on consumer awareness and trust in the security of contactless payment methods. Transaction limits. Some contactless payments may have transaction limits to mitigate the impact of potential fraudulent activities here as well. Like many merchants or authorizer, they have basically imposed a limit on the transaction. Like for example, more than 5,000 transaction is not possible NFC based. So there are some limitations as well. So overall, contactless payments offer a convenient and secure way for individuals to make transactions, and their popularity continues to grow as technology advances and consumers seek more efficient payment options.